seen the well-to-do upon Lenox Avenue, on that famous thoroughfare with their noses in the air, high hats and narrow collars, white spats of $15, spending every dime.
Have you heard anything from Claire? Dear, must you spend all your life down there? Can't you spend 10 minutes at home, just long enough to find
of highbrows down the levee, all misfits are putting on the Ritz, and that's where each and every
I've taken off about 4 inches around the waist.
we know.
Amazing.
I did that for this.
Thank you.
see them spend their last 2 bits putting on the Ritz.
Oh, I beg your pardon, Mrs. Mason.
Oh, it's all right. You're allowed to be out here.
I just came out to throw away my
All right.
Mr. Mason, would you mind moving your bottle? Mrs. Bonnell's been working on Washington crossing the Delaware for a long time now. It'd be a shame if something happened to it.
High hats and narrow collars, white spats and $15, spending every dime.
Told her to look at me from the checkup house with all those spades around it. And she said, you may be right, but I'm not the kind of person who is stuck by a few spades around my checkup house.
Down the levee, all misfits putting on the Ritz. That's where each
I'm an irresponsible scoundrel.
Oh, no, you're not.
Oh, yes, I am, and I like being one.
You just say that because you take responsibility too seriously. I know.
What?
You are too fine a man to come. Well, he can't go very far.
What?
Oh, I called up the manager of his hotel and told him we're being married next week, and it's in all the papers this afternoon. And I'm having the apartment done over. He couldn't possibly get out of it. They wouldn't let him.
Why not? I've been married for 20 years. If that isn't a successful marriage, I don't know what is.
Yes, but I notice it takes 2 women to make your marriage a success.
So?
Sure, I saw what you were up to all along, and it was damn clever of you, Claire.
That was what I had in mind.
Sure, you wouldn't want her to throw herself away on anybody without knowing what sort of a man he was.
Last summer, I sacrificed 4 perfectly marvelous weekend invitations to being with my children. So there.
All right. I believe you big liar.
Listen, we've known each other way too long to start telling the truth now.
They can wait. I'd like to tell you a little of my fascinating life.
With a foreign legion?
You do feel the same, don't you?
Well, Now see here, Julie, it's not right for you to feel this way about me. I'm a perfect bastard and totally unworthy of you, do you understand?
There's such a thing as loyalty, old affection.
Nonsense, Marsh. You're a free man. Think of being able to go back to your wife in Baltimore with a clear conscience. Think of being able to look her in the eye after all these years and say, honey girl.
No other words can tell it half so clearly.
Just imagine, in a little while when I walk into a restaurant, well, the men will go right on eating.
You want them to starve with admiration.
No, but I like them to know I'm there. I know you didn't want to come.
My dear, what makes you say that?
Well, I don't know. I have intuitions. But this is goodbye, Dylan. Julie was right. It's a sin for 2 people to live together who don't care a thing about each other. I want you to go this minute. I don't want to have you around at all, ever.
Well, the damn good thing we got this settled once and for all. But just remember, this is the end.